Hi, I'm Christopher, a research software engineer with Research Software Workshops, and it's a very warm welcome to part 11, the last part of the Git for Collaboration workshop. The link to the material is at the bottom, and if you go to the Summary and Git Cheat Sheet section, you'll reach this page. Okay, congratulations, you've now reached the end of this workshop. This is the summary page where we have the final Git cheat sheet, which we've combined together from both of the two workshops in this sort of little mini-series. So, with this workshop, you've now learned enough to start using Git and GitHub to work collaboratively with others. I'd say the most important takeaway that we hope you'll remember is that collaboration requires communication. Git and GitHub provide lots of tools for communication, but they only work if you use them. Successful teams are successful because they communicate well with each other, and there is a common level of respect and appreciation between all members. If you remember nothing else, please remember, write nice, be kind. Now, as promised, there wasn't really too much more to learn in terms of Git commands. Indeed, here's the complete cheat sheet, which you can refer back to at any time. So we've only really added a few more commands in this workshop: checking out a branch, adding in remotes, fleshing out this Git pull, Git blame and Git branch. There's not that many commands in Git to be able to do really cool and fantastic things. So what's next after this? Well, this workshop has taught you how to use the tools provided by Git and GitHub to work on collaborative projects. Now, you'll learn best from practice, so have a go, join an existing project, or try using Git and GitHub for your next collaborative project yourself. Have confidence. Look at the GitHub pages of software that you use. If you want to contribute, either with a new feature or to fix a bug, then please do feel free to fork that repository, make a change, and then send a pull request. People appreciate really well-written pull requests, and so feel free to do that. So, thanks for going through this workshop. Just to give a few credits for it, this Git for Collaboration workshop is based on our original Beginning Git workshop, which was developed by Christopher Woods. All of the text that we have here is published under Creative Commons license, with all code snippets under MIT. This video is under the YouTube license, so it's not freely copyable, but the workshop itself is. And of course, all of the source of the material can be found on GitHub, and now you understand what I mean when I say pull requests are welcome. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you at another workshop.